Stop overthinking the final assembly of your VA claim. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to stack your AI-generated statements, your conditions list, and your VA application, then submit online by email to the correct address in Janesville. Let's get this done. Sam here with VA Claims Mastery. If you follow along with my videos, you've already drafted your statements using AI and you've worked through my conditions worksheets. Today is the final assembly. Organize, attach, and submit. Simple as that. Step 1. Build your master conditions list. Open the worksheets I gave you and make a master list. Separate into primary conditions you're claiming, i.e. lumbar disc herniation. Number 2, secondary conditions caused or aggravated by primaries, i.e. radiculopathy, sciatica, secondary to lumbar spine, depression, secondary to chronic pain. Number 3, functional impacts, standing, sitting limits, missed work, sleep disruption, continuity, when it started, how it progressed, treatment timeline, service connection theory, direct injury, aggravation, secondary or exposure. Step 2, generate strong AI statements. Now we'll turn your worksheet notes into clear, credible lay statements. VA now provides a lay witness statement form, VA 21-10210, and they will still accept VA form 21-4138, statement in support of claim. Use one form per statement and keep each statement focused on one condition or event. Prompt examples that I'll give you for your top AI tool and how to personalize it. Number 1, example, direct back injury. You could say a prompt to the AI like, write a first person statement in support of claim for lumbar disc herniation from a ruck march injury. Include date, place of ruck, approximate pack weight, immediate symptoms, medical visits, imaging, x-ray, MRI, if any, shooting pain down left or right leg, current limitations, standing, sitting, lifting, flare-ups, and how this affects your work and daily life. Use a clear layman's language. Example 2, short version. I got hurt in my back while rucksacking. I have a slip disc and shooting pain. Turn this into a detailed VA lay statement with time, statement, and functional impact tied to service. Secondary radiculopathy. Create a lay statement explaining left or right leg sciatica as a secondary to my service-connected lumbar condition. Describe numbness, tingling, weakness, possible straight leg raise if known, and frequency, duration, or flare-ups. Chronic pain, secondary to mental health. Draft a lay statement on depression, anxiety, secondary to chronic back pain. So these are just prompt examples: sleep disruption, irritability, social withdrawal, and impact on concentration and relationships. Example 5, this is another prompt you can use: continuity of symptoms. Explain continuity. Symptoms began during such unit, X training, X event, persisted after separation, and I sought care at such and such VA facility on dates. Functional loss emphasis. Emphasize functional limits, maximum minutes I can sit or stand, lifting limit in pounds, how often I must lie down, miss shifts, and accommodations. Body statement. Witness. As a squad mate, I witnessed so-and-so injure his back during how many long mile ruck march at such and such fort, installation, army base, or whatever base it was. Draft a witness statement describing what I saw, immediate symptoms, and duty limitations that followed afterwards. So if you need a body statement, use VA form 21-10210. 8. Treatment and meds. Summarize treatments tried. NSAIDs, muscle relaxers, PT, injections, and any side effects. Physical therapy. Work impact. Describe how pain interferes with my job tasks, attendance, productivity, and safety. Daily living. Describe how pain affects bathing, dressing, chores, driving, and lifting children, grandkids. For disability compensation, use VA Form 21-526EZ. List every condition you're claiming, primary and secondary, as separate items. Keep the names plain. Lumbar strain with disc herniation. Don't make it too long or overly complicated, okay? Left lower extremity radiculopathy. Attach your AI statements as evidence along with your VA disability application form, okay? So to conclude, stack it in this order: cover sheet, index. This could be a list of exhibits, your statements, exhibit A, B, C, D, E. Could be medical evidence, your statement, okay? Just put it in the order. It's very easy for them to see, very logical and in a progression. So it's very easy for them to know what you've included in the packet when you're sending it out, okay? And don't forget to include your VA form 21-526EZ. That's the most important form that you're going to fill out, okay? If you have any lay witness statements, make sure you fill them out. It's a VA form 21-10210 preferred, or you could also fill out 21-4138. Evidence, medical records, service treatment records, private records, VA records, medical records, imaging, line of duty notes, or service treatment records. This is where you put them, okay? And then most importantly, last of all, is buddy statements. So there you go. That's the final assembly, AI statements, plus worksheets, plus master condition list, 21-526 easy, which is the disability application form itself, and then you submit. Watch my separate videos where I go line by line through the application. You already did that and show real examples so you can follow along. I'm Sam with VA Claims Mastery, and thank you for following along with me and completing this boot camp. I'm sure you're going to go win big, and I wish you all the best. Simple as that.